haven't done this in a while. What's up? Today's the day I go pick up a new car. Today we're with my dad. He's driving the S4 today, you feel me? You guys have seen it already. You got Jada in the back seat. But yeah, we're about to go pick up Devin from his house because homeboy's still sleeping. And then we're finna go pick up the car.
What's up?
What's up? Where's he at? He's sleeping?
He's in his room. He's asleep.
Not for long. Oh, this guy.
He locked it because I think his needs to beat off.
Open the door. Get up.
Are you gonna sleep today?
Jada!
Hey, Devin, you're doing a mess.
Bro, I haven't even brushed my teeth yet.
Fireman drill, man, get up.
He said, let me find my mint. Hurry up, let's go. Alright, focus. Alright, what's up? Just got the battery for the Integra. We finally got Devin out of bed.
I was never in bed. I was taking a long ass blink. Real niggas don't sleep. Y'all sleeping on me.
Oh, alright. Okay. If you say so, Devin. Well, we're like 2 minutes away from my uncle's house to get the. Not even 2 minutes. We're like 20 seconds away.
I was mad illegal.
We're here. Y'all don't get to see it though because I'm not gonna let you see
Hey,
it.
is Orlando awake? Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I just heard him. Okay, I don't know if y'all can hear it now, but I'm about to show y'all what I just got. Your boy got an Integra GSR. It needs some work, but it's okay. It needs some work. Thanks, Devin. Where you going, bro? Shout out my uncle for that. It's a GSR, but it has an LS motor because I don't know what happened to the motor before, but that's okay. So yeah, we finna take it home. I gotta work in a few hours, so I'm looking at washing it tonight with Jackson because it's getting dirty, right, Devin?
Why are you touching me?
Look at the camera.
Why are you touching me?
Look at the camera.
You might as well just hit the car wash now. Spray it down.
Oh hell no.
What happened, Uncle Orlando?
Remember I was telling y'all that it doesn't go past a certain RPM?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's when the check engine light comes on, then it's good. I think it's one of the pins.
For the solenoid?
Yeah, like the intake somewhere around there. It's like, I don't know, you gotta do something correct. You got me on the vlog or something?
Yeah. Oh, it's misfiring. Misfire. Well, we're gonna talk about
Yeah, we're gonna talk about,
what we're about to go pick up on the low.
yeah, we want EK hatch. We're gonna talk about the mistakes these kids are making in their lives early.
Talking about, man, my side with Gap.
You hear that?
That was speed limit.
Hey, we're gonna call it the team sauce right here. Y'all want the sauce?
Hey, Toby ain't giving the sauce. This nigga saw twice.
The only sauce Toby's gonna give is some hoisin sauce.
This ass gonna give us some stale sriracha, you heard?
Hi, Jada. Say we got our 7 apparel.
Right here. Hey, peep it, peep it.
Yeah, like,
Show him, Jada. Where you at? Where you hiding?
yeah.
Hey, peep the T. Peep the T. Hey, Dad, flex the T, flex the T.
Hey,
What's that? What's that say?
Cambodian, Cambo Supply.
Woo!
Get your merch.
See? Ooh. Hey, here they come. After what? A long journey going down the road. Hey, how you say white in, come on, saw?
Saw.
Call this shit the bumpy. You know what I mean? That don't sound good. Hey, what you think, Toby?
I think you finna have to drive that bitch home.
I'm not driving it home. I gotta drive the Audi home.
We should change the oil real quick.
What happened, Uncle O?
You need to break it.
What you mean?
I was smoking so much.
I don't know.
Dude, that was a lot of smoke. You see the street?
Yeah, I was like, dang.
Mix it up.
Yeah.
Hey, take that shit back, fool. It's two-door gang out here.
Nah, like
Like, everybody
I
wrong
like
four-door.
four-doors.
Like, you're the only one.
So? My hatch about to be a two-door.
What's up, Bo? Thanks for driving my car home. Cause I was not trying to drive it home, bro. Whoa. Nah. 98 Integra. You wanna move it? Bo?
What?
Yeah, first gear warrior.
Hey, bro, I swear first gear does not exist in this car. Oh, I gotta move the camera first. Hold on. I'm on camera first. Feels, it looks better, honestly. Well, just picked up my next car, first manual car. It's manual, by the way. And now we gotta move the daily away from the driveway so we can park the Integra in the driveway. Oh, damn, it's hot in here. Ah! I'm gonna leave you guys here for just now. Shit. Son of a. I'm gonna just leave it there. It's fine.
Let it go. I just wanna see you happy. I just wanna see you laughing. I just wanna see you smiling.
Bro, he thinks it's easy. It's not.
Come on, this thing, we gotta go long.
Yeah, what's up?
You can't find first.
Go long drive.
Swear to God, bro, we could not find first. I found first once. Once.
Y'all just don't know how to drive stick.
Alright, I'm gonna put this inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, well, this might be the end of the vlog right now, but I don't know. Later tonight, Jackson might come over and we might go take it and wash it again. We washed it just now, but it doesn't look that great. And I had to clean the inside of it as well. This door's not even closed. What time is it? I don't even have a watch, but that's fine. All right, for now, because I have to go to work in like an hour, I think. So for now, but end the vlog. I might be back, but we'll see. Peace.